We're trying. If we're going to see if the budget local variant.
अबे जल्दी बोल, कल सुबह पनवेल निकलना है।
Welcome to Lab Cats, where curiosity doesn't kill the cat.
It just makes us try the weirdest and quirkiest things out there.
We try it so you don't have to. Today at Lab Cats, we're going to be trying different kimchi flavored ramens across different brands. Two of the brands are imported Korean brands, Nongshim and Paldo, and two of them are our local favorites in India, Knorr and Yippee. So, do you want to start with the expensive ones or the local ones?
We'll try the imported ones.
This is the Nongshim kimchi flavored ramen. So this is relatively dry the way we have cooked it. We have cooked all of these according to the mentioned instructions on the packet.
I've had other variants of the Nongshim ramen, but I don't think I've ever tried the kimchi one.
Yeah, same. I've had the stir fry one and the original. Okay, let's go. Have you had actual kimchi?
I've tried it in a restaurant, but I don't think it was authentic. But it tasted.
But it was a restaurant, no?
Like said, it was an authentic Korean restaurant, but hopefully it was.
Dude, this is yum. I love it. It's not that spicy, but
It's very balanced. This is the balanced thing that we were talking about.
Perfectly balanced. This whole thing should be.
It's not too spicy, it's not too salty, it's not too sour. Sometimes chili flavors can get too sour. I really like it. I'll have a little more. Oh, is that like a little
the
piece
kimchi
of
cupping.
kimchi?
Yep.
Yes. Like it, love it. I would rate this a 7 out of 10.
Insanely good. I would rate it 8.
Really?
Yeah.
So next we have Mr. Kimchi by Paldo.
Mm.
This is what it looks like. So this also has like pieces of kimchi on
It
the
does.
top, if you can see. Okay.
It looks like it will be spicy.
Yeah,
And
I
then-
like that. Oh, that smells spicy.
It does smell spicy.
Spicy!
Go. It is more spicy.
But it's not spicy.
Hmm.
It's more spicy than that.
It tastes tangy like tomato.
Yeah, it is tangy. It
You
is
know?
tangy, yeah.
It's very tangy.
It's very flavorful.
I like it, but I feel like I like the flavor profile of that better. I know.
How much would you rate this?
I would rate it a 6 out of 10. What about you?
I really like the spice of this, even though it's not really that spicy. So I would give this also a 7.
Moving on with
Yippee!
It looks like, you know those sabzi Maggi that we make? है ना? It's like Maggi banaya but kimchi dal instead of all the vegetables.
I get it.
Dude, I didn't know that Yippee made a kimchi ramen version of their noodles. Yeah.
I didn't know they had any ramen version. Even Norka, I didn't know actually.
I like it, but I don't like it as much as I like these two.
Agreed.
I would give it a 5.
I think outright when I had it, I was not able to get any flavor at all. It was just hot. It feels like a normal noodle without any specific flavor.
So what's your rating?
I would give it a 6.
6.
Yeah, it's good, but it's not giving kimchi. Move forward.
Now we have the last,
Knorr.
the final one from the budget and local. I feel like this will also be tangy.
I hope to God that this is my favorite one
I know.
because none of these were what I expected. Oh. You know, Knorr started with soups and everything, right? So this smells very like spicy matcha soup.
I love it.
This also doesn't taste like kimchi to me.
I know it does not taste like kimchi ramen, but it tastes nice. है ना?
It tastes nice. It's very spicy and not in the way you expect. It's spicy in a soup way.
I would rate it as 7 out of 10.
I would rate it a 6.5.
According to you, out of all the ones that we tried, which was the best?
Shin.
Same Shin. I love Shin.
OG for a reason. The others tried it, but sorry to say, they missed the mark.
That's why he's the GOAT!
Thanks for watching, guys.
Thanks for watching.
Comment below what you think we should try next.
Follow CC'd for more such content.